Alright, so what's up everybody? Back here with another episode of Local Boys Garage. I haven't posted since the rally, the Lemons rally. Seemed a lot of people like that, got a lot of views. So, that was pretty sweet, fun trip. Very cold trip, but it was fun. Had a good time, so no complaints from there, but we do plan on going it again, for sure. Once I turn 16 and have my driver's license, we're probably going to take something else. Either the green truck over there, or the unibody sitting over there. Maybe even the LTD. Who knows? We have lots of stuff that we could take, so who knows what we'd want to take. But today, I was out in the shed. I ran these last weekend. Went for a rip before there was snow. Snowed pretty good overnight. Now it's sleeting, making it heavy. I think they want rain on top of this, so it's going to be even heavier. So probably next hour and a half, I'm going to go and plow. So once I get it plowed, I won't be near as heavy. So here comes the Wanger truck across the road. I hope he can get in. Not too concerned though. But anyhow, do some cold starts today. It's pretty cold overnight. See how they start. I just had them running not too long ago, but I wanted to see how that one holded charge. The Polaris and the Arctic Cat. I knew that one will fire up. I was a little bored and, just wanted to come out here for a while. I might clean up this again. I swear I cleaned up this 5 times already. But it gets dirty when I'm using stuff. So that's what I'm going to do. I might go in the shed and clean up some more bolts to put the wagon back together, because that's going to be coming here this spring. I'm probably going to be posting a video on, I think it's, I always forget if it's a C50 or 60. It's a I think it's a C50 Chevy truck I have sitting on the other side of the shed there. I made it back around Christmas time when it was pretty nice out. I did it as a potential project review. It's a good truck. Well, I like the truck. Put it that way. The truck's very rusty. It does run and drive, but it has no brakes because it's air over hydraulic brakes, and you just cannot find parts anymore. That's why the truck was parked. I go over the plan that I want to do with the truck and everything, and just been thinking about the plan even more. But now I'll probably be very late in the future that I get around to doing that truck. But plan on getting a truck over the summer, big rig, and that'll probably be my summer project. So, all right, let's get started on these 4-wheelers. All right, so I gotta clean my junk off here. My bag to my tripod and selfie stick. It's always handy using a selfie stick for this kind of work. But I've been unhooking the battery off of this. It seems to be drawing. Amps will keep it hooked up and it goes dead, but oh crap, I left it hooked up. Well, we'll see what it does. If it don't start, I'll grab the battery charger. We'll see if she goes or not. Got some more crap clean off of this beastie thing. Ran pretty good over the weekend. Fired up pretty decent. So, see what it does today. Turn it on here. I don't know why I'm not wearing my gloves. Because I'm a dingus. starts once, it'll usually start again. The only time it doesn't start again is if the battery's that dead that it can't hold a charge. And it happened, that battery's old. Just gotta bite the bullet one of these days and buy a new one, but for now I'll make do. Alright, so right now I'm turning off the compression release. Makes it start easier in the cold. And the choke on, key on. A little pump there, even though it don't do anything. This one's older. Backfired a little bit. Really needs new tires. You make two. See, that's a while. Oh yeah. Perfect. Stay running. Yeah, it'll stay running. Last year I didn't come out and start these over the winter as much as I did this year. And I had quite the time trying to get them started in the spring. That's why I'm always starting it so much. Keeps them running, keeps the oil moving. More oil up a little bit, more films up. This spring I'll be doing complete service on these. I'll be changing the oil and oil filters and stuff like that. I haven't done that in a while and it needs pretty bad. Well, when the rev up, shut it off. Once that hair warm up, they'll probably fire right back up, hit of the key. Yep. This one runs good. Ever since we put that new starter on, it runs good. So, that'll be about the end of today's video. Didn't do a heck of a lot. I haven't done much in the shed really. Just put up that board. Brought these in here, cleaned up a little bit, not much. Haven't done much. It's been cold and snowy and blowing. It's just a mess. But I have been looking for some projects, figuring out what I want to do next. This wagon's about wrapped up. All I have to do is get a bed on it. And it's done. So I'm glad. It's gonna turn out pretty nice, I'm thinking. Got basically everything painted. It's ready for wood, which it's pretty simple design, so it should be pretty easy. This tripod's pretty dang nice. Pretty happy about it. But anyhow, hopefully this summer I'm gonna be looking pretty hard this spring. I'm gonna try to get a big rig. Been learning a lot about that, about them, and pricing things out, things that I know would definitely need. Looking for an older rig, a cab over, specifically International Transtar cab over. More looking towards the 4070B models. If it's a nice 4070A, maybe. If it has the right engine that I'm liking. 350 Cummins is what I'm looking for, big cam. There's one around here I'm trying to buy. Hopefully I can get it. But saw 4070A the other week. Had a 400 big cam, but I was out in Missouri, and that would have been a pain to get home. It was in pretty rough shape, but I'm not looking for something pretty. I'm looking for a project. I'm looking for something that has good bones, good engine, good trans, good axles, that do brakes and suspension components, and freshen up the interior and put a little chrome on her and put her on the road. Have a good truck. That's always what I wanted. So, a little about what my plans are. Got the nice tires here all holding air, so I must have did something right. But that's about all for today. I will be posting some videos I had made back in Christmas. I made a lot. Just haven't gotten them posted. I'll get them posted, and I'll try to be making videos as much as I possibly can. But once it gets warmer outside, videos will be cranking pretty steadily. So look forward to that. And on another note, I'll see y'all later, and have a good day.